Hi, Rebecca Felix here. This is a video about bringing innovative practices to an organization. So when you think about transforming an organization, you got to go back to the basics, and I would say that would be Cotter's 8 steps to transformation. Because you have to get everyone on board, for one thing, and it's important to establish a sense of urgency, to disseminate a vision and have some passion about it. Plus, you need to form a powerful coalition that would help you to communicate that vision and empower others to act on it. It's also important to plan and create short-term wins and to recognize the people involved in those. Consolidate improvements, produce more change, and make new approaches part of the culture, part of the institution. A lot of times efforts at change management are doomed to failure because the leaders do not follow the steps that are necessary in order to make that change an organization-wide event. Instead, they tend to not try to light a fire under people, but maybe they'll just go to writing a memo. They don't engage personally. They fail to communicate the vision properly. I think it's important that the vision is so well communicated that everyone in the organization, from the top to the bottom, can tell a customer or a stakeholder what the vision is and succinctly, like in about 5 minutes. In the case of Crayola, I would say that we're looking at a new direction, and that would be to have an innovative process that is outside in structure. And that would be getting feedback from customers and acting on that feedback, and also instilling cross-functional teams in order to collaborate, brainstorm, and allow innovation to take place in a timely manner. I think that's pretty important, because after all, an ineffective vision is worse than no vision. And I think that the success in Crayola depends on reaching new markets, new customers, making more of what their products are. They are, of course, a household name as far as art, and they have a very strong connection with educators. But why not take this a step further and go for the adults, the parents, like, for example, with the latest craze in adult coloring books and that sort of thing. I think that it's also important to recognize when there are little victories, and to just have that communicated throughout the organization. And I think with the installation of the cross-functional teams and more collaboration, employees will be more engaged. I think they will feel that they are trusted and valued, and that their opinions are also important within the organization. And I think that would be a win-win as far as the organization goes in terms of innovation. Thank you.